everyone. Jai Shri Jagannath. Today I will show you how to make this super tasty curd rice. Firstly, cut the veggies like onions, garlic and green chili carefully. You should cut the veggies like this small pieces. Cut the garlic also same as onions. And also cut the coriander also. And the second step is to make a tadka. Firstly, add oil and heat it. And add the mustard seeds. You should make the tadka carefully. And add the cumin seeds means jeera and garlic and green chili. And add curry leaves and our tadka is ready. And the third step is to make the curd rice. Add 1 cup of boiled rice.
AudioBeatPH.com.
And after the rice add curd means dahi 1 cup. And add the chopped onions. And add salt as for your taste. And after the salt add the tadka into it. Add like this. And add the coriander. And mix it properly.
AudioBeatPH.com.
Like this. And many of you watch my videos but not yet subscribed. Please subscribe my channel and visit my channel for more tasty recipes like this. And add some pomegranate into it and again mix it properly. And after mixing with pomegranate our curd rice is ready to serve and enjoy. And you can see that it is looking very beautiful and super tasty. And enjoy by serving, and thanks for watching this video and subscribe for more this type of tasty recipes.